Good day. In this video, I am going to teach you how to assemble F760 telescope.
Step 1. Extend the tripod leg based on your desired height and then lock the screws, make sure it is tight, and then do the same process to the remaining tripods. Step 2. Get the tripod leg and use the screws to connect the tripod leg. Make sure that the whole of the tripod leg is perfectly aligned and lock the screws in place. Again, do the same process to the remaining tripod legs. Step 3. After connecting all the tripod legs, position your tripod in right side up. Get the tripod support and use the remaining silver-plated screws. Extend the tripod leg support and attach it to the tripod leg, and make sure that the holes are perfectly aligned, and lock them with the screws again. Step 4. Mount the finder scope to the main telescope tube, and what you need to do is to put it in the place and secure it with the screws. Step 5. Place the diagonal eyepiece and lock it in place. Step 6. Place the telescope main tube to the mount and secure it with the two big screws. Step 7. Place the metal rod which allows your telescope to lock in place in up or downwards position. And now we're done. We have completely assembled the F760 telescope, and we can now observe the sky using this telescope.